this video, I will show you how to see video performance in YouTube Studio. So go over to your video or your short on your desktop or your PC and click on the video that you want to see the performance for. And let's say I want to see it for my most viewed video, and that is this one. Then I'm going to click on this analytics icon. Once you click on that, you will see how many views your video has, and you can see a lot of more data. So you can see the views per day. You can see the amount of subscribers that this video had, and you can see the views in the last 48 hours. So you can also click on see more. And when you click on see more, you can see stuff like traffic source. You can also add more things in here. Basically anything you want. It's pretty detailed. Let's say geography. You can also add more tabs in here, as you can see. But this is the way to see the performance of videos. And you can also see stuff like the audience retention, what the average percentage viewed is, what the average view duration is, and stuff like that. You can also click on audience to see where the audience is coming from, the device types. Basically any kind of data that YouTube is offering, you will see when you click on video analytics. You can also click on engagement, watch hours, reach, basically anything you want. And you can also enter advanced mode in here. And this way you will have more specific data. And that is how you see video performance in YouTube Studio. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.